No, it wasn't that. It's not that it didn't turn over. It was like something to do with the switch. I turned the switch and I don't think I had it all the way over. I'm like, what the fuck? What's going on here? And when it started, I'm like, man, you gotta be shitting me. Nothing major. It just, oh yeah, it's fine. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Randy and this is Roadie Riders. Today it's a little chilly out. I don't know what the temperature is, but I am going right now to meet up with my buddy Cool Breeze, aka Ed. We are going to go down to Majestic, Connecticut to a restaurant called the Loft, and most of the riding is going to be backwoods, farmland, stuff like that. So hopefully it's nice and toasty by the afternoon here. One thing they don't lack for in this city is traffic cameras. Where you go, there's a camera. It's ridiculous. Warmed up. Woo. Yeah, that will be my it's gonna be my next project, is having new tires put on this, new sneakers. I got about 21,000 miles on these tires, and I went to the dealer to have the bike serviced last time, which they told me that I could get through the rest of the winter with the tires I have on. So wasn't planning on doing too far, averaged 100-mile days. So when we get close to spring, I'll pop on some new sneakers. Supposed to get up in the 40s today. Hopefully it does. You never know here in New England. Can't make heads or tails of the weather. One minute it'd be nice and sunny like this, the next minute it's raining. It's ridiculous. Hey, do me a favor, go down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give me a thumbs up and definitely leave me a comment, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can keep notified with all the upcoming videos that I'll be posting. These bikes love the cold weather. Triple digits in no time. This jabroni over here. Come on, buddy. Let's go. How you doing? Yep. Now you're gonna get in front of me and start jacking brakes on. Oh yeah. Nice guy. This is what I'm talking about over here. God. Must be a dispensary down here. Whew. Reeking of that marijuana. Woo. Woo, man, that stuff is pretty reeking. Alright guys, hopefully this is kind of a dangerous part of the road in Rhode Island here, cutting over 2 lanes. Usually during the, there we go, everybody's cutting one way and you're cutting the other. Usually during traffic, like afternoon traffic here, midday traffic, it's a shit show. Very dangerous. Tires are warmed up. A little bit of lean in there. Buddy. Man, this thing likes to run in this weather. Because man, oh man, this bike is totally different in the winter time than it is in the summer. That is for damn sure. The response is incredible. And mind you, it's factory. There's no cams, nothing in this bike. It definitely, when it gets cold out here, definitely livens up. Now, there's some good news. Doesn't look like we're having any major snowstorms in the next week or two, so that's cool. Looks like I can continue my riding during the January months. And hopefully into February. And I know we get kind of zonked in February and beginning of March with snow. We get those storms. But the closer we get to March, the better chances we got of having a mild winter without snow, which would be great. Yeah, I guess even upstate New York, my buddy up there, he was out riding New Year's Day. I'm pretty impressed. Usually they're zonked with snow up there. Even he got to ride, which is pretty good. Alright, I gotta get around this guy in time. Blow that carbon out of this thing. That's what I gotta do. Woohoo! There's my buddy Ed in front of us. Yeah.
That was funny.
I was hammering. I was hammering up that intersection. I was coming hard.
Yeah,
I could see you, so I said, let me go see if I can catch up with him.
Looks today.
Yeah.
I don't understand why.
Yeah, what's the temperature anyways? I don't even know.
It's not even 30. It's...
No, it's in the 20s.
Yeah, 25.
Now leaving Comby Farms. Next stop, Mystic. there, and it's just smooth. Not much wind today, that's great. Connecticut. Yeah, the roads are beautiful. I'm surprised. You know, you get a little wetness like you see right there, a little ice on the sides here. But that's par for the course out here. That's nothing. As long as they ain't coming across the road, we're good. Stays on the side, we're good. Crank up those heated grips a little bit. Fingertips are getting a little cool. Not bad though. I don't even have heated gloves on. Don't have inserts, just a regular leather glove with a liner in it. And I'm comfy. So I do have my heated gloves in the bag, just in case. Alright. Oh, shit city over here. Man, this shit smells like hell. Oof, putrid. Yeah, that's it. You got to be very careful in this time of the year, because the farms, they're moving, maneuvering, all sorts of good stuff, and that shit drops on the road. Boy, you hit that, you're going down. That could be worse than ice. And yeah, pardon the pun, but would be a shitty situation to say the least.